Hey people, welcome back from the summer. I stumbled over this comment on Facebook. I want music composer who gave me music in free. Oh, this is something I really have to enjoy and it takes me some time to digest. I want to understand how it comes to such a post and who is the person behind this. In this video, I want to talk about why it is important to charge proper rates and not let yourself be fooled into a low-cost area of a lot of work and bad income rates. Hit the subscribe button and like this video. Someone posted this and I want to try to analyze a bit. So, number one, supposedly he is an indie artist and does not have a studio behind him. Second, he's just starting out with little or no experience. Third, he has realized that there are people who call themselves music composers and the fact that they might be important for a successful project. Number four, he has, however, no real appreciation for composers. Number five, he might think that the job to do music is done quickly by the people who are really into it, but it does not require a lot of resources. We want to learn something from that. There's a certain awareness, but no knowledge and appreciation. There's no money involved, I guess. Basically, we could say, get the hell out of my timeline, I have nothing to say to you. Still, hundreds of people are answering to such posts. They want to have a job by all means for no money, just to place their music out there. I think if we want to be successful and healthy, we have to give value to our work. This means we balance the fee we ask for. In all my career, it has been a delicate balance between these two pillars. Getting a proper fee and doing work for free. Sometimes it's so clear that I would not charge, whether it's a project for a friend or something I really appreciate or a competition. But as a rule of thumb, as soon as there is money involved, I try to get my share. So how are you handling this? Let us know in the comments. Let's have a discussion. I'm really interested in all your contributions. It all comes down to the self-value I assign to my very own work. I once had a saying when someone could not pay me for a project. I wish I could afford working for you for free. But I also wish for you that you will be able to pay your collaborators properly. So let's find the right balance and not scare people with too high fee demands, but just the right amount. A story from last week. I was asked by a local club to have a 2-hour lecture performance for a fee of 100 to 200 euros, depending on their funds. I knew they do not have more. It's useless to argue, but I still want to do it and I want to help them, plus give them the feeling that I do them a favor. So I wrote, like to establish my value. Yeah. So I wrote to them, great work you're doing. I'm honored that you asked me. Usually my fee is far beyond your offer, but I want to help you out and I'm willing to spend an evening at your place. They happily responded. So I think it's vital to raise the understanding within the community of creative people. We as composers are important, we have a demand for a proper fee and a proper contract and credits and so forth. It needs time and professionalism to do a nice sound. Let us softly remind our programming and graphic design people, video and commercial creating friends out there. Soft and friendly but firm. Hit the subscribe and a like, drop a comment and happy producing. See you next video. Ciao.